Okay, here we go. First flag of the day, and it's spinning. It's been spinning since it popped. I'm just getting my tent set up. Spinning. Should get you a better angle on it here. This works out pretty good for you. Alright, let's see what we can do. Nice and smooth spinning. I hope it's not pointing too far at the ground. And got him. Not very big. They got bigger all of a sudden. Good. Alright. Not real small. Not real small. Fast though. Alright, come on. Let's see what I got here. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Big old bassoid. Nice. Good old Jolly Roger tip up. Big bass. Look at that mouth. Alright. Let's get him off here quick. There he is. Just a gorgeous bass. I hope you can see me okay. That's probably better there. There he is. Look at that sucker. It's a nice one. Let's see if we can get a measure him quick. Get him back. Alright. Just a fatty. Just a fatty. He's 20 inches on the head. Alright. 20 incher. First fish of the morning. It's a beautiful colors. Nice bass. And we'll let him go. Be caught when he's 22 inches. Bam! That's how you do it, folks. Here we go. Just got my other one set back up, and now this one went. And it's turning. Turning good. Alright, we'll set this up here. We can show you getting another one. Okay. Still turning, which is good. There he stopped. Alright. He stopped, probably swallowing it. It's another bass. This is bigger yet. Yeah. Look at that, folks. They're like twins. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, yes, sir. Sucker's about 10 inches around. Beautiful. Beautiful bass. I'll let him go too. Get a little bigger next year, buddy. Woo! The water in the face. Another one. Woo, look at her blur. Set up here. Good fish. Weight right now. Oh, there we go. Good. There he is. nice pike. Hold up, head up the hole. There he is. There he is. Really nice pike. Oh shoot. Of course I would forget my stuff. Alright. It's alright. Take him back to the tent. My pliers. Let him go. Okay, here we go. My flag. Just moving my stuff. And saw that this one popped. Oh, we'll try a different spot here. Just weight on there now, it looks like. Ice is a little thick here. Let's see what happens. Okay. Some weight there. Got some weight. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. He didn't have it all the way. Dang it. Oh well, better luck next time, I guess, right? Get a minnow, get it restarted. Let's back up again. Not turning. Bobber's right. Oh, bobber's gone. Let's see what happens here. Looks still there, didn't drop it again. Fish there. Been like 2 hours is my last flag. Nice to see one go up here. Let's see. Alright, and got it. Alright. Pretty good. Just pretty good indeed. Good fish. Good heavy fish. Any goods are back on. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice pike. Nice pike. Real nice pike. Come on. There he is. There he is. Yeah, beauty. Woo! Make sure it says recording. Good idea. That's good. Okay. There she is. Just a slob. Just a beautiful, beautiful pike. Alright, let's get this sucker undone. Oh, she's got some lips on her. There we go. Alright. Right in the roof of the mouth. Easy to get out. And she's done. Alright. Just a beauty. Come on, hold on. Easy. Just a beauty. Let's get a quick measurement and let her go. But I can't. Shit. Okay. Yes. It's 15. here. Gosh, she'll be right at 30. But just look how fat he is. Beauty. Let's get her back. 10 inches to grow. Nice. Alright, here's a little something special for you. Tip up inside the shanty went up. So we'll see what we can get here. Give me a second. Fish on. Head shaker. Alright. I just caught a perch in that other hole. Now we got this one going off here. Coming in nice heavy weight. This will be a good fish, good head shakes. Probably gonna be a pike. There's the bobber. There's the fish. There he is. Another beauty. Another beauty. He's all wrapped up on here. Let's see if we can get him unwrapped a little bit. Holy moly, it really is wrapped up bad. Alright. Man, nice fish. For in the shack, not bad. Alright. Okay. Open it up, please. Okay, looks like I can see the hook right here, the roof of his mouth. Alright. Come on. There he is. Hook's off. What a beautiful fish. Look at how pretty they are. Just gorgeous. Get a quick measure of them. Hopefully he doesn't tangle everything up too bad. We'll tape measure. Alright, put this right here. Run it right down. About right there. 28.5. Not bad. Another good, fat, healthy one. We'll let her go. Ooh, there she goes. Woo. Here we are, just about to quit. Just got 3 tip ups out here for the last hour. Got another flag, and it was spitting. Let's hope it stays that way. We'll try to stop. We didn't drop it. Alright. Alright, here we go. He's there still. Alright. And got him. Alright. Ooh, he didn't go very far. Now he's going. There we go. I'm not sure how big he is. I haven't seen him yet. Get that bobber off there. There we go. Alright. There he is. Another nice fat pike. Ooh, he didn't want to come up yet. Another fat pike. Got me in the weeds. Alright. Oh, there he is. Come on. Wahoo! Good one. It's a good one. Nothing but weeds coming up in the hole now, though. Let's see if we can get him here. Here he is again. Third time's the charm, right? There we go. There he is. It's another beautiful fish. There he is. All right. Alright, let's see if we can get this hook out. We're causing too much trouble here. Alright, we ought to be looking pretty good here. Popped it out. Okay. It's another gorgeous fish. It's a heck of a way to end a day. Look at that belly on that one. Fatty. Whew. Okay, let's get you measured quick and let you go. Alright, right about there. Looks like he's going to be 28. I don't know if you can see that. 28. Not a monster, just a beautiful, healthy fish. Just a beautiful fish. Look at that. Alright, let's let him go. And there he goes. Woo, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Alright. I think I might just pull this tip up. I don't know. Especially seeing all this is. I'll just pull it. Muddy up the whole. Bam!